I've taken this type of mixer jar here, and I'm adding the 1 cup of watermelon which I have here, and the cucumber pieces also to it. I'm going to add that 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper. I have half a size lemon here ready. I'm going to squeeze it into it for its rich acidic taste. I am going to add the 3/4 cups of water to this bucket, and I'll grind it into a smooth paste now. This is ground into a very smooth paste. Now let us filter it. I have taken this vessel now. In the place of black pepper, you could also add chaat masala if required for taste. Now I have filtered and kept it ready. Now to this, as a sweetener, I'm just adding about 1.5 teaspoons of honey. Going to mix it well. Now, cucumber watermelon juice is ready to be served now.